Today, we're exploring the fascinating relationship between trains and graffiti. Trains have been a part of our landscape since the early 19th century, revolutionizing transportation and industry. As railroads expanded, they became moving canvases for artists and rebels alike. In the mid-20th century, graffiti began to emerge as a cultural movement. By the 1970s and 80s, graffiti exploded in cities like New York, with train yards becoming hotbeds of creativity. Artists used spray paint to claim their space, telling stories and challenging norms. So, next time you see a train, remember the stories it carries, both in its cargo and on its exterior.